Hello everyone. Today we are going to be going over the Plum Gator 7. This will be a durability and toughness test. I'm going to be putting it through water. I will be throwing it. I want to show you guys how this phone is waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. And I'm going to make sure you guys see everything that this phone can go through. So let's get this thing going. You want to take off this screen protector right here, and then under it will be another screen protector. You want to leave that one on. So as you can see right now, this phone is fully functioning. Everything works really well, very smooth. So let's get started with the first thing. It's going to be just throwing the phone in these rocks. As you can see, there's a good amount of rocks here, pretty sharp rocks. Just want to drop the phone from a good distance and show you guys how this thing, literally not a scratch. So all throughout this phone, as you can see, you're not going to need a case because this thing is already built tough. It's already built, ready to drop. And if you do want to keep this waterproof, there's flaps for the headphone jack, for the charging port, and for the SIM card. So you want to make sure to keep all those flaps closed to make sure the phone stays fully waterproof and dustproof. So let's go over here. Let's dip the phone in some water. Let's get that thing submerged. Get this phone dry. As you can see, it's just like normal. It's fully functioning. There's nothing wrong with it. So let's do a corner drop test from about 5 feet in the air. We're going to drop it on this pretty good sized rock. Nothing. It's just working perfectly fine. So this phone can survive drops. As we can see, it can go through water, and obviously this thing's going to survive any type of dust. You're not going to have to worry about that. Let's do a few more things. I'm going to throw that phone down that way really hard to show you guys. Let's check it out. Everything's looking smooth. Looks pretty good. Let's do something else. Let's throw this phone, skid it across the water. Okay, as you could hear, that was a pretty hard hit against the rock. Let's check out this phone. That was a really hard throw, and it hit a rock pretty hard. Let me just get this dirt off of the phone. Okay. Once again, this thing is not failing us. Still working. Nothing's wrong. It's pretty impressive, guys. You're not gonna really see too many phones that can do this. Let's do something else. A little bit more outside of the box and impressive. Let's throw this phone about, 20 feet in the air and let it land on these rocks. These nice little sharp rocks. And let's see what's gonna happen when I throw it 20 feet in the air. Okay, that was a serious throw. I'm sure that will never happen to you. You'll never have that type of fall. And look, the phone's perfectly fine. It's pretty crazy, guys. Again, you're not gonna really see phones that can do this type of stuff right out the box. So let's do something else. Okay, so next we're gonna run over the phone with a Tesla. Let's see what happens. We're gonna put the phone under the car right here. And I'm gonna show you guys as I back up the car over the phone, and I'm gonna show you guys how everything is fine. Okay, let's check out the phone. I don't want to make it seem like I'm pausing the video or anything. I want you guys to know that this is the phone I just ran over. Okay, so look at the phone, guys. I just ran over the phone with the car, pretty heavy Tesla. Look at this thing. Everything's working fine. And And after all I just put this phone through, the phone was working just as new when I took it outside of the box. So it's pretty wild, guys. The Plum Gator 7, 4G VoLTE, compatible with AT&T, T-Mobile, and all their service providers. Let's do one more throw since I just ran over that car and this phone still works perfectly fine. That was a very hard drop, guys. And just once again, just proving over and over, this phone is super durable. Perfect for a person that is always outdoors, and perfect for a person that's gonna need a phone that can go through things like this, that can be durable, that can be reliable and sturdy. Plum Gator 7, guys. You guys can find this phone on Amazon.com. Just search up Plum Gator 7. Check this thing out, guys.